Hello guys, alright, this is a quick video. I want to teach you how to open an account with FP Market. So just click the link I'm going to drop to you, or the link, you will find it in the description of this YouTube video. So click the link to sign up with an FP Market. They're one of the best brokers. They have tight spreads from 0 pips. They have minimum deposit of $100. They have fast execution speeds, and the broker is very, very good. In fact, I'm just wondering how come I'm just getting to know them. So click the link I will drop to you. So now, just click the link. Once you click the link, wait for it to then click on verify that you are human. So once you have clicked the link, put your email. Peeta Forex Academy at gmail.com. First name, let me just put my name. Last name, let me just put my name. Then change the country to your country, Nigeria. And once you click it, it will first have to load first. So just wait for it to load. Make sure the other information are correct. Then in this place, are you a United States citizen? You can put no or yes depending on your preference. So your preferred language, English. Nationality, Nigeria. Based on the fact that I'm Nigerian. So phone number, let me just prove this. Alright, so now this part is very important because in case you have an issue later, you have to, it can be resolved on your behalf. So if you're referred by a partner, click yes. So a number should appear automatically, but it not appear there. Should be 67840. The one should appear automatically. If it does not appear, just write 67840. 67840. Then save and click on next. Now they will send you an email, a code to your email. It says enter OTP that is sent to your registered email. Please wait for me to just confirm it. Alright, so I've received the code 4223. Now click on save and next. Now you go to the next part. Put your date of birth, put everything about that, put your NIN. So when you put your NIN here, put your NIN, the numbers. You get to the next part, you choose financial employment. Just choose the right information here. Occupation, just type what you do. If you don't know what you do, just write business owner. The annual income, all these things are in dollars. So under 10,000, not 10,000 naira, $10,000, 10,000 to 50,000. You can just choose any one of them, depending on your preference. The source of employment, you can pick anyone. Employment, business owner, or anything. Just click on save and next. Then it will take you to the third part, which is, well, mine will not go to the third part, which is account configuration. That part, they will ask you for some more information about yourself. Then declaration, that one, the next 4, which is number 4, which is declaration. They will ask you to tick some boxes, then you can start trading. To the number 5, where you start trading. So once you have gotten to the number 5, that is where you can be able to sign up and then fund your account. So I'm going to make another video teaching us how to be able to link our FP market to our MetaTrader 5. How to link our FP market to MetaTrader 5. So see you in the next video.